Warning, this video is only for people who wish to make a lot of money, not for people who are satisfied with where they're at in life. So if you're satisfied with where you're at, then please exit the video. What I'm about to share with you is exactly what every single millionaire has done, and it's exactly what you must do if you plan to make $1 million. And spoiler alert, if you do exactly what I tell you to do in this video, then you're guaranteed to make $1 million, so make sure to stick around to the end. Setting a monetary goal is a very important tool that every single person should use to grow their income. If a person has a 9-to-5 job and then they go into holiday break and open their presents from Santa and then go on to New Year's and just pop some firecrackers and then resume their normal life January 2nd when it's time to get back to work without setting a goal, then obviously their income has no chance at increasing. But for all wealthy people, and also all people aspiring to be wealthy, they all set an income goal to try to reach by the end of the year. Now last year, I only ended up making about $350,000, so my goal for this year is to make $1 million. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make $1 million. Okay, so we know we want to make $1 million in a year, so now let's do some quick simple math to figure out how much we need to make per month, per week, per day, and per hour. So to figure out how much we need to make per month, we need to divide $1 million divided by 12, because there's 12 months in a year, and that's going to give us $80,333 per month. Now let's figure out how much we need to make per week. We need to divide 80,333 divided by 4, because there's 4 weeks in a month. That's going to give us $20,833. Now let's figure out how much we need to make per day. We need to divide 20,833 divided by 6, because there's 6 days out of the week that we're going to work. That's going to give us $3,472. Now we need to figure out how much we need to make per hour. We'll divide 3,472 divided by 10. Because we're going to work about 10 hours a day, that's going to give us $347 an hour. So in order to make $1 million, you need to be making $80,333 per month, $20,833 per week, $3,472 per day, and $347 per hour. Now that you've seen the numbers and what it takes, you might be telling yourself, yeah, right, those numbers would be impossible for me to do, or I'm incapable of doing that, or I don't have the skills, or whatever excuse you might be telling yourself. Well, let me just tell you, most of you are right. You will never make $1 million. You don't have what it takes to be a top G. You're not capable. You're not smart. You don't have the skills. You're scared to believe in yourself. You're scared to take a risk, and you're not willing to put in the hard work it takes to accomplish this. It's just a fact. You will never make $1 million. Less than 1% of all of America makes $1 million. So statistically speaking, 99% of you people watching this video will never make $1 million. Ever. And if what I told you just hurt your feelings or made you sad, then you're probably part of the 99% who will never make it. But if what I just told you motivated you to beat the odds, then you probably have a chance at being in the top 1%. So now that you know exactly how much you need to make, you should all have no problem making $1 million this year. No, I'm kidding, but my main point was that if you do in fact make $83,333 per month, $20,833 per week, $3,472 per day, or $347 per hour, then you are in fact guaranteed to make $1 million. So with all that said, I wish you all the best of luck and make it happen.